Hey guys, welcome to Shalini Futique. This is me Shalini. Today we are going to see how to make juicy and crispy chicken 65. Look at this, how juicy it is. And the outside layer is really crispy and lightly breaded. Let's see how to make it. These are the ingredients we need to make our chicken 65. Chicken boneless, or you can take chicken with bones. Besan, rice flour, and in this bowl I took some red chilli powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, garam masala, turmeric powder and salt, or you can replace store-bought chicken 65 masala, and ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves, and 1 egg. I am going to use only the white egg. The yellow egg has a tendency to raise more bubbles in the oil, so I am not going to use it. And split green chillies and lemon. Now take some water in a bowl. Add 1 spoon of rock salt and add in your chicken pieces. Soak the chicken pieces for 20 to 30 minutes. This is the secret to keep your chicken juicy. If your chicken pieces are really big or bony chickens, you can soak it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now drain all the water and add in all our ingredients: dry flours, masalas, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, the white egg, split green chillies, and lemon juice. The green chillies enhance the flavor, so add it when you are marinating the chicken. Marinate it for 30 minutes. If you are making it for a big party, you can marinate a day before, overnight, it's better. Now my oil is hot. Let's fry the chicken. Add in the chicken one by one. Do not dump the chicken. And one more thing, I did not add any food color to this chicken 65. If you wish, you can add it. Let it. The bubbles are reduced now. Try to turn the chicken slowly. Look at it, the masalas didn't come out of the chicken, it is stick together because of that white egg. Also you can add yogurt, that is also act like the egg. Now the chickens are almost done. We can take it out. It is really crispy outside. Like the same, fry the rest of the chickens and serve it hot. Try it and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Like the video and share it with your friends.